Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to our channel Commentators Analyzer TV. As una know, this our channel is all about comments. We dey go through comment section, we go come bring am as topic, and we will tell now where the comment section what we for dey read and the title of the gist when we dey talk about. So today we go dey go Mama Umenwan talk show comment section because of the ongoing saga wey happen yesterday. So my people, come with me mo see wetin our people draw for the comment section. Okay my people, let's go to the comment section. The first comment say you no use that thing wey dem dey use if you wan do the do proper for the first time when you dey with man, you be useless single mother. I believe the reason why this person drop this comment na because of Mama Umenwan talk show say she don get belle for baba wey dey smile. Na make this person drop this comment. I'm not sure, but na wetin my mind tell me say that is the reason why this person drop this comment. And the second comment say keep quiet, no be baby mama. Frank Victor married that woman. Who this person, this second person they talk about na Frank Victor wife when they bongo, because Mama Umenwan talk show they call her baby mama. Now this person they try to correct and say no be baby mama. Umenwan married that woman. He marry as wife, so no be baby mama. Many things happen yesterday. The woman talk many things, and I make people they drop these comments. He say Frank no get shame because in na man. You supposed to dey shame for yourself, okay child. Even me I go still talk am because Frank na man, he no get shame. Woman, we suppose respect ourselves. Be you single mother, be you married woman, be you girl, we need to respect ourselves. One day man go marry us. Single mother, you be single mother today, no mean say you no go get a better man tomorrow, unless the character no good. Even though character no good, you still see the one wey go still say yes, I go dey with you like that. So we just need this respect. Na make this person drop this comment say Frank no get shame because in a man. You supposed to dey shame for yourself, okay child. So let's go to the next comment. This second comment make me laugh for my people. This person say e really pay you say Frank do vaga you and drop you adulterous woman. No, this person I would like talk to you. No be adulterous woman, she no be adulterous woman. Na woman when she no get husband, na single mother. You know say this life, some single mother dey when they would like to say let me stay because of my child. I no want dey waka up and down, I no want dey carry any man, let me stay with my child. Some day when no go fit stay, they no fit stay for 2 months, say they no do the do proper, they must do. So she no be adulterous woman if she decide to do wetin she want with man. Who be single mother no mean say you must dey bondage. Now who choose to say I go dey no be bondage. Me I just call her bondage. For me it's not bondage, because if you won't get any man you get her, but you choose to say no, you no want. E not make her adulterous woman. My sister when drop this comment, she not be adulterous woman. Who be single mother? Single mother deserve to be happy. You be single mother not make you to to dey less from the other women. So let's go to the next comment, my people. Say wetin you as this person funny o. He say wait o, as normal as you are, you agree to date presenter. Presenter get presenter Frank when he dey insult women anyhow. My person, may I correct you, my brother or my sister, I no know who drop this comment. Frank, people dey as Frank dey curse people. People dey even as this saga dey go on, so women dey when still need Frank. If Frank say dem wan date, I wan date you today, women dey when go say yes. So you no like Frank because Frank dey insult women, or Frank na presenter, e no make another woman say e no go like Frank because Frank dey insult presenter. Only wetin I no like for Frank body, e for ignore this woman, because yes, na this woman find trouble. Frank no just come mouth. E no just come mouth. Mama umenwan talk show, na you first dey come mouth. Yes, Frank no just come out come dey insult her. As a woman, na you suppose respect yourself. You date person, the relationship no come work out, and you know this person mouth, you also hide yourself. No be say you come social media or come go dey call all your friends, dey call all your friends, dey tell dem say, or people wey you no even dey talk to. Wetin you want make all those people do for you? Make dem come help you beat the boy? If you call your friends, abeg una help me talk to am. E dey different. Say people wey you no dey talk to, e get people wey you no dey talk to, all of them be presenters. We know, as all of them be presenters, dem dey fight theirself. So people wey dem dey fight theirself come carry im matter go give this person, you dey worsen the matter, and you come want make this guy come hear am. E go come keep quiet, e go come dey laugh. E no go laugh, e go still come out. So Frank no be useless person. My brother or my sister, Frank no be useless person. So let's go to the next comment. Your baby papa no dey give you money, na Frank wan come give you money. Okay, maybe the tori, when the tori dey go, she say maybe her baby papa no dey give am money. Na make this person drop this comment say your baby papa no dey give you money, na Frank wan come give you money. So my people, I hope una dey enjoy this comment section analyzer. I hope una dey enjoy this comment analyzer. So let's go to the next comment. When this comment make me laugh. This person say, if na Atiti prophet the woman follow now, I go hear, not Frank. Frank no be human being. When you say no be Frank, Frank na human being. Na the way when two of them take play the card, e get woman now when Frank go just still dey with, they go just still dey in peace. No be Frank dey with Oyibo. So you wan tell me say Frank with Oyibo no dey quarrel? They dey quarrel. If they quarrel, they will still settle theirself. No be say if na Atiti, Atiti na, yes, na human being. Frank na also human being. Okay, one man's food is another man's poison. Okay, more than not dey talk like that. Let's take the next comment, my people. The next comment say, now wow, see wetin dey comot for your mouth, child single mother by stupidity. Wetin make this person talk this thing? Because wetin mama umenwan talk show really dey talk yesterday. Everything I know say na with anger. They no dey use anger dey enter live video. If you use anger enter live video, you talk wetin you no supposed to talk. Even me, when I hear how they talk yesterday, I come say, now so this woman be, I no know. As the man take dey lick your plate, you carry come here, you come dey talk. I say the man cucumber, na so e be. E be like this, but you dey cry for am. Sometimes if you get issue with your man, not talk anyhow. Me, if I get issue with my man, even though they dey kill me, they go. Because that time when we two of us dey bed, we dey he love me, I no can't go dey insult am with anything. Because if the cucumber be like this, you for not dey cry for am. If you no dey cry for am, no be say you no see men when they talk to you. Now because he do you well for bed, na make you need am back. So my people, if we dey vex sometimes, more control our anger, more not dey use our anger dey talk for social media. Anything wey come out for social media, for her mind now, she say she don delete this video, but this video dey. People don carry the video. So if we dey vex, more try to dey control our anger. Okay, let's take the next comment, my people. The next comment say your ex-husband will just dey drink beer now. He can't put emoji of life. Let's take the next comment. Oh, he say, Aproko, I no go sleep with empty belle today. Oh. You are responsible. I never even remove working clothes. Laugh won't finish me. Oh. Emoji of laugh. Because now Aproko second page na carry the video. Aproko second page na carry the this thing, you know, see. So you think say I dey talk am for my live video yesterday. When we dey talk, we go control our mouth, because when you go say you don comot video, people wey sharp dey wey don collect that video, they will keep am for their phone. They will use am against you tomorrow. Me know say Aproko Godfather no will use am against you tomorrow. It not be like that. But e get where things will reach. As Aproko Godfather, when we know, e get where things will reach. Aproko Godfather, he will bring that video come out. So let's take the next comment, my people. This comment, because I screenshot all the comments, so I no fit open the comment where I say, oh my God, madam, why are you not ashamed of what you are saying? This one can't say, can't you see she is irresponsible? Because wetin made this person drop this comment? Because all words when they come out for Mama umenwan talk show yesterday, Matt, all the words, none of them correct. She just dey talk am just the way her anger be. None of the words correct yesterday. She just, with the anger when dey her mind, then she just say dey talk. So my people, Mona no still too vex for her. I know wetin she passed through yesterday. Mona not too vex. This one say, think of your children. Now wow, no be small gbege. My people. He said, those women who swear with their children, fear them. Oh. Why woman go even dey swear with each children? Me, I can never come and come dey swear with my pikin. Swear, why? Why will I do that? Why woman would they swear with each children? This one, this one say, yes, she delete the video, but due to Aproko, we cannot keep low. We get the video. Yes, you see, she said she delete the video. See what they talk now. Yes, she delete the video. Due to Aproko, we cannot keep low. We get the video. I trust you. You too correct. you not see a party to follow now. Now Frank, you can't go open bekus for. Frank na human being. Now Frank not be human being. Why they open bekus for? Now two of them not do it with respect. Now Mama umenwan thought she not do it with respect. Now she bring the issue on social media. Fine, una celebrate for house. Everybody knows say una dey date. When issue rise up like that, una go settle the issue between una self, call it friends. Not be people when e not dey talk to you. You go dey judge to them. If you judge to them, what you say make them do for you? You call Enoge, what you say make Enoge do for you? You call Evienivie, what you say make Evienivie do for you? May help you beat Frank. But at the end, see yesterday night now, Enoge join Frank. They curse you. They curse you, my sister. So my people, God bless you, God bless you, everyone. Which which Frank gets document if for they travel all over the world, they fuck all of una dey go jeje. No be small. Frank na fine boy. Now why you no go dey fuck up and down? Make dey fuck o. Fuck, fine boy. Why you no go dey fuck? Why you no go dey do the do proper dey go? Eh? Hey, do the do proper. Thank you, my wonderful people. We stop here from today. We will start again. Thank you everyone for your love, your support. Please, my wonderful people, if una know say una never subscribe to this channel, Commenters Analyzer TV, please try subscribe and also on your notification bell in case whenever we make an gbangala una go receive her. And please try give our video thumbs up and also share our video to your loved ones, share to your friends so that they will support us grow this channel. Please, my people, wanna help us grow this channel, help me grow this channel. God bless you, God bless you. Kiss from Commenters Analyzer TV. Bye.